It will help you access the musical instrument sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Number 1, make sure your video clip is deselected. The step is to go to the bottom left hand screen and click the second option, Audio. Underneath Audio, scroll to the right and click the option, Sound Effects. Underneath Sound Effects, you want to scroll to the right until you see the option, Musical Instruments. Underneath here, you have a list of different musical instrument sound effects. Tap 1, Capcut Mobile will preview. And after you're satisfied, you can click the plus icon. Now it will be added onto the timeline. Want to add multiple sound effects? Go to your video clip, same thing, click sound effects, and the plus icon is the before. This is the after. Completely for free.